Obim, are you going out?
You see me getting ready to go out and you're asking me if I'm going out.
Are we not going to the hospital again?
Woman, I am not going to any hospital with you under this hot sun.
But you are going out under the same hot sun now.
Hey! Oh yeah. My house of sugar. Obanya. Come on. Di moya. O moya ana anwu na nku ndi eze. Yada. Ije agba nku ndi eze. Ndi man. Umenna. When my brother, Chuma, Yakwan. I can. What do you want to do? I can. It's in Amaka. Aketo. Are you with your license? I don't know. Oh, go near Bulago. Ibulago. Ijibia. Nke ginizi. What is it? What is wrong with taking 3 backhand? You see, young boys of nowadays don't have regards and respect for tradition. Tradition. I've been half here. Half once a while. Half years a while. There's no problem. Carry them out. But tell me what time cup because the sun is very, very. What do you want to do? What I can say? Hey! Don't worry. I'll. You do what? Chelu. So you don't. It to see Ogonogo can we don't have sense. Yeah, all these things that we are talking about or we're saying is not ringing bell into your heads. Gonna again tell. You are in no shape of the same level with us. We are sons of Ozos. Now, soon, Umenna and I will take Ozo title. Yes. It is too far. You should have told me that's the problem now. I have my own plans now. Ozo title. Very soon. I will take my Ozo title very soon. Let's drink and make merry. Come on, let's help them. What would that be? Hey, even in a topic, your great grandfather was not an Ozo titled man. Your grandfather was not an Ozo titled man. Tell him. Even your own father was not an Ozo titled man. Came Bogua, Jesus the Ozo title. It has gotten to the point you insult my father, my great grandfather, my grandfather because of Ozo title. We don't have behind. Yeah, no, why you keep quiet? Keep quiet, guy. Now, you see, this is the reason why I said no matter case at Bankata, you don't know how to discuss. Now let me tell you something again. Whenever you think you've grown to that level to sit with Umenna and I in a palm wine joint like this to drink, then a quarter can go off, you go and take an Ozo title. Or better still, you take for your father. Then you can now come, we sit down. A man and uncle Zinko, woman for now. He cut us to go there, cut us in I am not a good area, this home store. I will go there. Now, Natalia. Oh, wait, I'm going to now. Oh, yeah, move. Oh, yeah, see ya, boy. Move. What's the meaning you go to Ubeli come on? I'm blinking out, don't call it too much. Just get out. Go. You know. Ugoeze. Kita chubeli Ugoeze tell them. Ugoeze. I'm talking to you now. Is anybody up back? Ugoeze. Ugoeze! Welcome. Ugoeze. What's the problem? I've been calling you from the road and you're not answering me. You're not even acting like someone is behind you. What's the problem?
Nozi, man, water.
What will I not understand?
Nozi, if you... Nozi, if you see the insult that Umenna and Chuma just gave me at the village square. Ifun barrier.
Umenna, what insult did they give you? Tell me.
Oh, I'm very madam. I went to drink with them, as usual. Then they said that I cannot drink with them. They started insulting me that I'm not a titled man.
No, wait. Because they said you don't have a title, that's why you could not even offer me a seat. Eh? If you don't like it, I'm sitting down by myself. They said you're not a titled man. You want to tell me that the reason you didn't answer my call on the road is because you wanted to drink with women and whoever, and they refused because they said you're not a titled man.
They made me look like I'm not a man.
Ugoeze, let me tell you something if you're not getting it clear. Having a title doesn't make you a real man. Not having a title doesn't make you less a man either. So you better mind what you think. I mean, okay, tell me, what differentiates you from those men that call themselves titled men? Tell me.
A title makes a man a real man. And I am here to prove that I am a real man.
Hey, so that's how you understand it. That's how you're seeing it. A title makes you a real man. You don't have to be talking like this because you're not God. Just give yourself some time. You're not God.
If only I had a child. If only I had a son.
Hey, God. See. Stop saying all these things. Because you having a child or not having a child, having a title or not having a title doesn't make you less a man.
You will not understand that the barrenness of my wife is the reason for all these insults. My wife's barrenness is the reason I get insulted daily. You won't understand it.
Oh. Your wife is now the problem or the barrenness. Which one? See, let me tell you. Stop putting yourself into unnecessary pressure. Stop it. Stop it. And the moment you realize that you're not God that gives child, the better for you. And you be careful with this your title of a thing. Be careful with it. That's all I have to say. I'm going. I was even thinking something serious was disturbing you. Because mind what you're doing to yourself.
Obin, you need to hear this.
Hear what?
The doctor said you should come and see him.
What did you just say? What did you tell the doctor?
I didn't tell him anything. He just examined me and said we need to run a fertility test.
We?
Yes.
Hey, I said it. I said it. I knew it. I knew you would blame me for everything. So you've got to tell the doctor now that it is my fault. Abi?
Obin, what are you talking about? I didn't tell the doctor anything.
You didn't say anything to the doctor. So the doctor just woke up today and decided that you should tell you to tell me to come for a test. Just like that. You have got to tell the doctor that it is my fault that we don't have a child.
Why are you saying this? I didn't tell the doctor anything.
Ataramge. Anofia. I don't blame you.
Obin, what did you say? Obin? What did you say? Obin, the water is ready. Let's go and take our bath. Obi.
What is it? Eh? What is your problem? Every time Obim, every time my husband, every time Obim. Eh? Why do you keep on calling me? In fact, as a matter of fact, from today onwards, do not call me by any of those things again. Call me by my name. I have a name. Call me by my name. My name is Ugoeze. Do you hear me? I wonder when you're planning to call me by my children's name. Maybe when I'm too old and I cannot mount you anymore.
Why are you saying this?
I'm saying this because I'm pissed off. I am saying this because I'm angry. I am saying this because I do not have a child.
The other day I told you what the doctor said.
Doc.
But you refused to listen to my advice.
Doctor. That is all I hear in this house. Every day, doctor. I said the doctor can give me a child. Can the doctor give me a child? Nonsense.
Obim. Obim, you've not been happy lately. Is there anything I need to know?
Anything like what?
Did you quarrel with anybody?
Nothing happened. I just woke up today and I began to think like a man.
Think like a man? I don't understand. How do you mean?
I realize that I cannot let the next Ozotai to pass me by. Mbaga here.
Obim, are you still talking about this Ozo title? I thought you'd forgotten about it. Besides...
Besides what? Besides, we are yet to have a child. Or should I say, besides, you are yet to give me a child.
Obim, where is your faith? Where is your belief?
What is that?
I know we'll have a child.
What are you talking about? Don't sweet talk me now. Do not try to sweet talk me, not today. Shut up. I will do the talking. Now listen to me. I will take a second wife. Yes, a wife that can give me a child.
Mbano, babe, you can't do this to me.
I said you should shut up, oh. I said I'm the one doing the talking, oh. I know you heard me, oh. You do not know that your barrenness is the reason that I've not taken an Ozo title till today? You don't know?
Oh, babe. You called me barren. How? How is it my fault? I know men who don't have children and they are also titled others.
That is not how I want my own. My own will be different. I am Ugoeze. Nkemga Dikeh. I will have my Ozo title when I have a child, preferably a son.
Oh, what you should be concerned now is who's having a child. That should bother you now. Let's have a child first. Let's have a child first. Then you can think about your Ozo title.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up. You're always talking rubbish. Come back here. Come back here, woman. I'm talking to you. Hey, God.
What is the essence of happiness if in a short while it is cut off by pain? Why has the vile creatures of bitterness besieged my home? Why? Chibu gave me. Chibu. Mama, I have begged him. I have spoken with every soft manner I could. But he has refused to see the doctor. Now he wants to take another wife. Nem, would you like me to come and talk to him? No, Mama. No. He won't like it if you do that. I wonder why he gets angry about seeing the doctor. Hey, God, you need to apply number 6. Use wisdom. Akonuche will handle that man. All men are the same. They're like babies. They do things that are convenient for them, not minding how we feel. But that is not a problem. You see, the thing about them is that they feel that women mold children in their tummies, forgetting that it is a two-way thing. Nagi was the same. It was even worse. We live like strangers in that house. Mama, he accuses me of being the reason why he hasn't taken that other title. Mom, just be patient with him. Oh God, man. All the injure of all bossy oh yeah, man. One day it will be well. Just be patient. You go? I hope so, Mama. I hope so. You will pray. You will pray. You go? It will be well. I feel Basika where?
Yes. Wait. What did I just hear you say? No, you heard me well now. No. I didn't hear you. So say again, let me hear you very well.
I said, I want to take a second wife.
Ugoeze. And why, if I may ask?
When I take a second wife, I get a child. When I get a child, I will take an also title. And when I take an also title, no man in this village will ever insult me again.
Well, that's okay. Let me come and be going. Going what? Get the second wife. Going? Yes, I'm going.
I don't understand this. Is that all you have to say?
Ugoeze, that's all I have to say. I mean, what do you want me to say? Okay, I have something to tell you. Ugoeze, you are a very, very stupid man. What? Ugoeze. Wait. What did I just hear you say?
No, you heard me well now.
No. I didn't hear you. So say again, let me hear you very well.
I said, I want to take a second wife.
Ugoeze. And why, if I may ask?
When I take a second wife, I get a child. When I get a child, I will take an also title. And when I take an also title, no man in this village will ever insult me again.
Well, that's okay. Let me come and be going.
Going where?
Get a second wife. Going? Yes, I'm going.
I don't understand, is that all you have to say?
Ugoeze, that's all I have to say. I mean, what do you want me to say? Okay, I have something to tell you. Ugoeze, you are a very, very stupid man. What? You are a very, 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 very stupid man. I mean, how can you be even thinking of getting a second wife? Simply because you want to get a child, and when you get a child, you get another title.
It is my decision.
It is your decision. So why are you telling me? Since you've decided, it's already a decision. Do you want my permission or what? Go ahead and get a second wife.
Hey, go, I don't need you. Suzukweba can fozo. Nonsense, go on with you. Good. Hey, good. Are you mad? Huh? Are you blind that you cannot see that I just washed these clothes and spread them out? You want to sweep and scoop dust on top of them?
Ugoeze, what is wrong with you? What is it? I am not blind. I saw those clothes and I cannot scoop dust on them.
I don't blame you. You always know how to defend your foolish self.
Ugoeze, what have I done to you? What have I done to you that you talk to me like a maid?
You know exactly what you have done to me. I cannot take an Ozo title in this land because you have refused to give me a child.
Having a child does not stop you from taking an Ozo title. If you want to take an Ozo title, go ahead and take one. Ugoeze.
Huh? Ugodi. You're calling me by my name. Mama. Ugoeze. You're calling me by my name. Hey, what are you, Madam Afu? So you now talk back at me and shout at me like a real woman. Well, it's a pity that you cannot have children like the real women have.
Another men that talk to their wife like this.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Out! Get out! Out! Let me not see my kids out today. Get out!
Ugoeze. Come outside.
What was the argument?
Ugoeze, don't let a thief into your house 3 times. The first time was enough. The second time was a chance. The third time, Ugoeze, then you must be stupid. So it has gotten to the extent of throwing your wife out of the house. What has come over you now?
You will ask me what she did. What did she do? Do you know what she did?
What did she do?
She called me.
She called you what? Ugoeze, she called you what? See, let me tell you something, Ugoeze. It's better to remain silent and have people think you are a fool than to speak up and remove every doubt of it. That is all I have to say. And the word is enough for the wise. Ne, panono.
I don't blame you. That's gotten to the point where you take our issues and go and discuss with people outside. Well done. Nonsense.
So you refuse to have a church wedding with me because you thought I cannot bear you a child?
I married you because I wanted a child. Now you cannot bear a child. What am I doing with you? Oh, yeah, carry your bag.
I will not go! I will not go!
You will not go.
You want me to live like this?
You will not go.
After all these years,
Oh.
I'm not going.
You will not go. 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 Leave me alone. What do you want to kill? You want to kill him? I will kill this girl. You want to kill her? I will kill you this house.
I am not leaving.
For what? I am not leaving. For what?
I am not leaving.
What has come over you?
I will not
What is
go.
the problem? Leave me alone. What is the problem? Do you want to kill her? Eh? What has come over the both of you? Eh? My house. Now, this barren woman is not going anywhere. Leaving my house. She's not going anywhere. For what? For what?
I am not
Do you want to kill her? Go inside the house.
No, leave it.
Go
Let
inside.
me call me names. God, call me names. God, sorry, call me names.
I take my house. Take your bag. Go inside. She's not going inside my house. She's going inside. She's... What is your... Echo! Go inside. What is your problem? Eh? This is your wife. Why will you call her a barren woman? For what? See, let me tell you. You will go with her tomorrow to see the doctor for a fertility test. The earlier you start thinking for the way out of this problem, the better for you. The earlier you start thinking, the better for you. Ah! This is not Ugoeze I know. This is not you. Ugoeze! I'm going from place to place. Now you want me to go to the hospital? Better do that. It's for the betterment of the both of you. Ugoeze, think well. It's for your own good. I'm going. Get ready. We'll be going to the hospital. Tomorrow is another day. Excellence. Yes. Can you look at you?
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you.
you're serious about getting another wife? How could you? How could you? How could you put your desire of an other title above your health? Have you ever asked yourself why we don't have a child?
Ego, I do not need to ask myself that. What I need to do is to take the bull by the horn.
And you think taking the bull by the horn is getting a new wife? Is that what you really think?
You treat me very bad. You make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you. Upon all I've been through, I don't know why I still love you.
Yawaya. Rekono. Is there no food in this house? I'm talking to you, Egodi. Is there no food in this house?
Get your new wife to cook for you.
I don't understand why you are angry about seeing me with Ifoma. I don't understand it.
I have been faithful to you. I cared for you. We should stand together. You don't have to hurt me. Bringing another woman will cut the love we shared together.
That is where you're wrong. Egodi, that is where you are wrong. Now let me explain this to you. A man's bed is not meant for one woman alone. Or them, meme. Eh? And besides, look at yourself now. You don't even look like you're ready to give me a child anytime soon.
You say this to me? Ugoeze, you say this to me? You're heartless!
Don't you raise your voice on me. Don't! If you had given me a child, I would have taken an Ozo title like the rest of my mates by now. Eh? Look around you. All my mates have Ozo titles except me. Mongabo Ugoeze. So someone behind them with Ozo title. Where are you going? I'm talking to you. Will you come here?
Go on, take it.
What is this?
Take! Take it!
What?
Our fertility test result. Go on, read. How about that? You kept on blaming me. Your sperm count is low. You can't even make babies. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What? What?
go with him? Please, I am very, very sorry. I should have thought of this. I'm sorry.
At least I've seen your true color.
Forgive me. Why, Pico? It will never happen again. Please. Please.
I've forgiven you. Obin, what is it?
I am ashamed of myself. I am not a man.
Obin, you are a man.
What do we do now?
I don't know. I am not a doctor. You have to go and see the doctor.
I don't know how to face him. I don't think I can see him.
You just have to go. You want the other title next year, right? Then you have to go and see him. Eh?
This also title we're talking about, you do know that it's next year, and next year is just 10 months away. I was thinking we could, you know, do other things, maybe try other options.
If you're thinking about an adoption, please count me out. I can't adopt
adoption. I'm not talking about adoption. Far from it.
So what is it then?
I was, you know, I was thinking maybe you can maybe see another man.
Eh? What? Eh? You want me to see another man? Just because of your desperation for an other title?
Okay, wait. My wife, I'm not exactly saying.
So what are you exactly saying?
You know, I'm the only child of my father, and it would be an abomination if I die without having a child.
You will not die.
Okay, now it's okay. I'm not about the other title now.
Please, I can't sleep with another. I can't sleep with another man. What are you saying?
If you can't sleep with him, I'll kill myself.
You know you cannot do a stupid thing like that. Good night.
Okay, we shall see now.
Welcome.
Hey, Goody. Did you take any yam from my barn?
Yes, I did. Okay, go ahead. I was even wondering, this yam color, I don't understand. You should just help me taste it, eh? Because I don't understand how it looks. I don't know. I just hope it's nice. I hope it's not even mature enough. Just taste it. It's nice. Go on, taste it.
Last time you take a from my pan. Let me tell you last time.
To love you, my only offense is I love you. You break my heart, I love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart, I love someone else.
Obim, you've refused to touch your food. What is it? The other time you refused to eat. Now you refuse to touch your food. Ogini. What?
Are you ready to think about what I told you? Because I'm not going to eat anything in this house until you think about what I told you.
Oh, so because of your husband title, you refuse to touch my food, Okwe? That is why you refuse to touch my food. You just started. You know why? Because me, I will never sleep with another man. Never! Oh, mama, it will not happen. If you don't want to eat, don't eat now.
You treat me.
Oh, my husband has changed. He talks to me with an iota of respect. What have I done to this man? Yeah. I know why he's acting that way. But do not worry. Soon, God will remember you. Mama, you kept on saying soon. Soon? How soon will that be, Mama? How soon will that be? Hey, good. Stop crying. Bedebe kene. Stop crying. It is God that gives children. And I know that very soon He will remember you.
My only offense is I love you. You break my heart, I love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very.
What is it? Why are you crying?
I just want to die. I want to die. I want to die. I just can't. I can't.
Obin, don't talk like this. It's not the end of it.
It's the end of the world. This is the end of the world. When a man is important, what else is left? Even a dead man now is better than me.
God forbid, Chukwaju. You will not die. You will not die.
Please help me. Please, I'm begging you. Please help me. Just do this for me once. Once. I will not ask you to do it again. I promise. Just once.
What are you saying? I cannot sleep with another man. I cannot. I can't bear it.
If nobody will hear about it, I swear. Nobody. Please, no.
You don't get it. It is not what people will say or what people will hear. It's about me. It will haunt me for the rest of my life. I can't bear it. I cannot.
Please, they go because coming down. I'm not coming down.
Please calm down, we'll talk about it.
There's nothing to talk about. Nothing. You hear me? Leave me, let me kill myself. When I kill myself, then you can now find another man and remarry, since that is what you want.
But no, you can't kill yourself. What will people think about you? You'll be thrown into the evil forest. Is that what you want?
Yes, that is what you want. That is what you want, Egodi. That's what you want. Let me kill myself. Go and marry another person.
Hey, I will do it. I will do it. I will do it.
You will do
I
it?
will do it. I will do it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Have I ever lied to you? I will do it.
When will you do it?
Today, tomorrow, anytime.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I will talk. Are you sure?
Oh, please. No. I'm sure. I promise. I promise I will do it. I will do it.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you.
So, are you doing it tomorrow?
What if he's not a boy?
And you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you. Upon all I've been through, I don't know why I still love you.
Girl, Sal. You know, it has been 3 days since you agreed to meet another man, and so far you've not made any moves. So I was just wondering.
I've not seen a man I like.
A man you like? I mean, just get any man.
Ugoeze, you don't expect me to go and look for someone to make me pregnant. What will people think about me?
Listen, it doesn't matter what people think about you. Forget what people think. I mean, it's our business.
It is my pride. It is my dignity. It is my body.
What about Dikeh?
No. I don't want Dikeh. He has a large nose.
What of Maduka?
Maduka? That one is even worse. He has terrible body odor.
Body odor? I mean, does that even matter? Okay, fine. Let me talk to Uchendu. Uchendu is a very handsome man.
Yes, Uchendu is handsome, but he's a talkative. I don't want him.
What does it even matter if he is a talkative or not? I mean, it's just the child we want.
It matters. It matters if our baby is from a bad blood. It matters. It matters. This is a child we are going to live with for the rest of our lives.
Okay, fine. I'll think about. Let me think about someone else.
We have to be careful about this thing. We just have to be careful.
We just have to be fast about this.
I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you.
They're good.
You break my heart and love someone else.
Is there anything you
But I
want to do?
can't help myself. I don't know why I still
You're not looking yourself. You're not looking good. Get it for. Mama, I'm fine. Good, I am your mother. You can talk to me no matter what it is. I'm fine. Is it your husband? Is he insisting on taking another wife?
He's not.
Because he falls in, what is it?
He wants me to.
He wants you to do what?
Mama, never mind. I don't want to talk about it.
Let me know how I can help you or advise you. Tell me now, he wants you to do what?
Mama, I don't want to talk about it.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you.
Thank you.
See, I thought this very, very good idea, and I know it will work. Come on, sister. Come. See, I know the person that can help us. Anozie.
Anozie, your friend?
Yes.
Obi, must it be someone we know? Can't we just look for someone from another town? Someone that is far from us? Someone that can keep a secret?
Look, I trust Anozie. Anozie is my friend, and he can keep a secret. Okay, man.
I'm worried about this.
See, you don't need to be worried, okay? I'll be back. Let me go and talk to Anozie. Okay? Stop this now. Okay, listen. I promise I will make it up to you. Okay? I'll make it up to you. Izyoku.
How? How will you make it up to me? How?
Are you okay?
Anozie, calm down.
See, even I, the biggest fan of your fury, now marvels in the face of your latest stupidity. This one is the next level of your stupidity.
Anozie, Biko, I agree. I accept. It is my fault. I take full responsibility. I cannot impregnate my wife, but I need you to help me.
See, it's simple. If you cannot impregnate your wife, go and see a doctor. Do I look like one? Do I look like a doctor?
Listen, Opromake for doctor. I know I'm supposed to see the doctor, but the also title is next year. It's just next year on so.
And a queen has also title. I mean, why is this also title getting you crazy? What's the queen?
No, sorry. Please, don't be angry. Forgive me. The thing is, I need to have an Ozo title, and I cannot take my Ozo title without a male child. When I have a male child, I'll take my Ozo title.
Hey. They are the and you couldn't and who told you that you cannot take a title with a female child?
Man, no, it's not proper, no. I want my own to be different. You understand? When I have a male child and I take my Ozo title, I'll carry my shoulders high. I can stare at other men in the face like a real man because my own Ozo title is different, it's special.
Now I know you are not with your clear eye. You're under a spell. Ugoeze, you are under a spell because I just found out that you are very, 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 very stupid.
I agree, no problem. I am very, very stupid. Very stupid. But what you need to understand is that a desperate man is a stupid man. That's how I want my Ozo title. I want it to be different. Man.
No, you are not just stupid. You are not just stupid, rather you are very, 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 very stupid. And now your stupidity has graduated to the next level. So you are not only stupid, but very, 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 very stupid mad man. And this one is not from your lineage, because I knew your father. I knew him very well when he was alive. Ugoeze, go home and search yourself very well.
I've been calling you since the village square now. You didn't hear me.
I didn't hear you. So now that I'm here, what is the problem?
There is no problem. The only thing is that I wanted to know how far with the thing that we discussed. Our discussion with
Which discussion? I told you that I'm not interested. Nedado. I told you, I'm not interested.
But you didn't say that. I can remember what you told me is that you will think about it. It's a big change.
I know it. This your desperation has blocked your ears. You no longer hear clearly. I told you vividly that day that I'm not interested. I'm
your best friend, I believe. I'm the only man who has always stood by you. I have always been there for you. I was even there for you when you lost your mother.
Oh God, Ugoeze, you're my friend. No doubt about that. You are my friend, I know. And nothing will stop you from being my friend. Man, if I am... No way, I can't do it. I mean, ask me for another thing now.
Just tell me how much it is that I will pay you now. This thing, what's up?
Ugoeze, did I just hear you say money? You want to pay me money? Me, Anozie Me! Ugoeze, you've just insulted me. You've just insulted me. Yolumefe, Kanjenubu.
Anozie. Anozie one them.
Please, Biko, help me. Biko, no, each can say Biko.
See, Ugoeze, you know how much I hate repeating myself.
Anozie, why are you being wicked to me now? Why? Why?
I am not being wicked. I'm just following my mind. See, I can't do this thing. Anozie,
you know, a kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. Please, help me. I cannot father a child. I cannot. If you don't help me, then why are we friends?
if in can. Well, let me think about it. I will think about it.
Think about it again now. And I'll say, what is there to think about? Is it not just to make a woman pregnant?
Oh, you think it's easy, Abi? Go and do it yourself if it's easy now.
That's not what I'm saying, Anozie. Now, what I'm saying is that you look at you. You're an able-bodied man. I mean, you will have many more seeds.
Like I said, Ugoeze, I'll think about it. Case closed. Go home, please.
Anozie, please think fast.
I will think about it. Just go.
Just think fast. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, yes.
You know the other title is in 10 months. Help me think fast.
Go now.
Anozie, thank you. Thank you.
I'm still thinking about what you told me the other time. I am not done thinking. So please give me more time.
Anozie, this thinking is taking too long now. It's taking too much time.
It's taking too long. It's taking too long, Abi. Okay. Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Okay. Come to think of it. What if after all this ups and down and it doesn't work? What will you do?
But you will not differ. Anozie, my friend. Listen. It will work. And not only will it work, it will be a baby boy.
Hey! Okay, and what if it's a baby girl?
See, don't worry about that. Just do it first. Leave it to me. Let me worry about it. Okay, my friend. Anozie, one them. Okay? I'm not saying one name. Thank you so much. I don't even know how to thank you. I am forever indebted to you for this kind gesture. I swear, I'm forever indebted to you.
Ugoeze. She didn't let me. She didn't.
What?
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you.
What's the matter now? I thought we agreed on this.
Agreed on what? How were you feeling when you were out there?
Okay, listen, let's not talk about this again, You agreed to help me now. Please help me. Please now.
Disgust me. Now I know how desperate you are.
Egodi.
You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I have always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
Where is my beautiful wife? Ego Dibo! Oh! My sunrise. My sunrise. Ego Tiringao. What's it for you? Is it beautiful?
Yes, I like it. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. I know your favorite color. I know your favorite color. Next Eke Market Day, I will go and buy more of these clothes for you. Much more. Hold. See this one. See this cock?
want you to cook it. Eat it alone. Whatever you want. Okay?
Alone.
And if you need any other thing, you tell me. I'll buy food. Okay? Anything at all. You know, I'll tell you.
My sunrise. You're awake.
I'm awake, Obim. Obim, you are washing my clothes.
Yes, I'm washing your clothes. Have you eaten your food?
No, not yet. I will eat later.
Okay.
Obim, when did you wake up to make that food?
It doesn't matter what matters is what I'm doing.
Okay, then let me go.
No, Mbano. Hafia, I'm almost done. See, there are very few clothes remaining. Eh? Just go and eat. I'll join you. Go. Jawa, before your food gets cold. Sorry. So after this leg, we'll do this one. And then maybe massage your waist too. You want me to massage your waist?
No, not yet. You do that at night.
Tonight. Okay, good.
Gently.
Sorry.
I like it.
You like it like this?
I like it.
Slowly?
Slowly.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. I'll eat later.
You eat later?
Mm-hmm.
You want to eat me?
Yes. What becomes of a woman who has sold all her virtue? Who is she that has no pride left? Just like a criminal hanging hopelessly from the hangman's rope. I hang hopelessly from Ugoeze's love. And even though I know it threatens to choke the life out of me, it is all I have to live for. for my happiness. Let us momentarily partake of Ugoeze's stupidity. Biko. Biko.
To love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. Someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. Someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. Always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
Egodi. 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 Egodi, my wife. Egodi, you cannot continue behaving this way. You cannot continue crying all day long. You can't. I mean, for 2 days now, you've not taken anything.
Let me mourn my foolishness. Let me cry out my shame. It's heavy in my heart. It tears me apart.
Egodi, calm down. Please calm down. I beg you. Look, it's not as if you've done something that no one has done before. It's not something new. Look, as long as I am not offended, you shouldn't worry about it. Please.
Ugoeze, can you hear yourself talk? It's my body. It disgusts me. It's my dignity. It's my pride. It's my respect.
No, but you did it for me.
I didn't do it for you. I did it for my happiness, which is unfortunately tied to you.
I don't understand. What doesn't go? Why have you been avoiding me now? I've been looking all over for you. I even came to your house. Your father said you went to your maternal home. Meanwhile, I saw your slippers outside the door.
Ugoeze, I've not been avoiding you. I've been busy.
You've been busy. You've been too busy for Mwabo Ugoeze. Eh? Go on, baby. You know what? No problem. Let's go and have some palm wine. Eh? Can you walk on at the village square?
Ugoeze, wait. You should never wonder when you see men wicked, but wonder when you see a man ashamed. Ugoeze, come to your house. I will see you when I want to.
Anozie.
So bugamike, amarami venyeme, emera bebe nyamaga, kamjido bimaka. Kamjido bimaka.
I still feel guilty carrying another man's child in my womb.
Hassan, Unyem, please don't talk like this. Please. Look, this is our little secret. It's our child. Huh? And moreover, Anuzi is like a brother to me.
That's the reason I shouldn't have done it with him.
Don't worry about this. Listen, next week we'll have our baby boy and we'll be happy. Okay?
Happy? I don't see happiness coming. I see shame coming.
Why are you talking like this now? Why?
Because I know my husband. I know my husband will beat me up if it turns out to be a girl.
You think it's going to be a girl?
Yes. I know so. I see it in my dream all the time.
Can't be a girl now. I want a boy. I want a boy.
Ugoeze, what is wrong with you, baby girl? Why are you bent on having a boy?
Because I want my Ozo title.
Having a baby girl does not stop you from your Ozo title.
But I want my own in a grand style. I've told you this.
A grand style? Then you have to talk to God.
God knows what I want. I want a baby boy. And I know he's a baby boy. He's a baby boy.
How is she?
Congratulations, sir. She had just delivered a bouncing baby girl.
What did you say?
A beautiful baby girl.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You people checked very well and it's a girl.
Of course I did.
No. Something is wrong.
Are you okay?
Something is wrong. A baby girl.
Yes, baby girl.
Please get us some seat, and bring some bottles of palm wine.
Yeah,
hey, Ago. Hey, Odogu. That's why you're seated like this, looking so worried. Hope all is well. But we had your wife just put to bed. Yeah. Congratulations, oh. Congrats, oh.
All of you! Stupid people! Female child! Is that what I asked you for? Eh? Is that what I asked you for? Stupid, useless people! Bunch of useless people! Nonsense! Stupid people! Foolish people!
Ugoeze! 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 I don't want to believe what I heard. I don't want to believe it! That you left your wife and child in the hospital since yesterday and you're here! Ugoeze, this is not fair now! I'm talking to you!
It's a baby girl.
It's a baby girl. Ugoeze, it's a baby girl, and so what? And so what, Ugoeze? What is wrong with a baby girl?
Everything. Everything is wrong with the baby girl. Everything is wrong with the baby girl. Me, I wanted a baby boy.
Ugoeze, that's not fair now. You're not being fair to this woman. I mean, this sounds ridiculous to the ear. Ugoeze, better go and pick your wife and child before it's late.
No. Why don't you go and pick up the wife and the child? After all.
After all, what? No. Ugoeze, finish it. After all, what?
After all, it was you that sowed the seed. The annos here. Nonsense. What?
Ugoeze! You are the most stupid man I've ever seen in my entire life.
It's again. It is you and your entire lineage that are very, very stupid. Why didn't you tell me that you're not capable of producing a baby boy? Eh?
So this is what I get for helping you.
Help you who? Help me who? Help me and you who helped the other person. Eh? I gave you my beautiful wife and what you could give me was a baby girl. If I had there, make it.
Ugoeze, if your wife had a baby girl, that's God's will.
It's not God's will, Onyenzuzua. It is what you are capable of. Give me.
Ugoeze!
Give me.
Ugoeze, you! So this is how you pay me back. This is how you pay me back. Ugoeze, sometimes you behave like a little boy. Shame on you! Shame on you, Ugoeze! I will take it that you're drunk.
I am not drunk, I am not drunk. Eh? You have failed me. It is you who has failed me.
Okay, no problem. Soon, we shall know who is the real man. Ungrateful idiot. You!
Jawe, get out. Nonsense. Fella there, Meg.
So you! Okay, Mili ya chojo yin jololo. Mili, oya chojo yin jololo.
Abo ya giwa ya obo nwa ka nwa ke muta won. We zuzu. Idiot. Da kwa boss okay Maria ga Meg. Aruma.
Kamjide bimaka. Kamjide bimaka. Ifem follow no wa gugumike. Amara me venye me. Emera me bem ya maga. Kamjide bimaka. Kamjide bimaka.
My in-law. Look, whatever it is you're here to say, I am not ready to hear it.
Are we fighting?
I did not say so.
Why did you abandon your wife and child at the hospital?
I already told you I'm not ready for this nonsense.
You see it? You see it? Kedive umaka these days, it is zuzu. Kedive patava jasoku nekuna. Hey! There is nothing one will not get from children of these days. Ugoeze. When a man has been abandoned, deserted by his children, even the cry of his dying infant, of his child, begins to sound to him like disco. Ugoeze! Odione, how many times? Yadaba. Stay in your house and drink! Drink yourself to stupor!
If I'm full of no one, Buga Mike, Amara me, Venge, and where I'm a Maga, Kanjido be
They're good. Hurry up now.
Where are you two going? Where are you two going? What are you doing here?
Crazy. I can't believe it. I can't believe you abandoned your baby and your wife in the hospital for 1 whole week.
I do not want that child.
Who told you that a female child is not a child?
I said I do not want the child. Besides, the child is not my own. Tell your daughter to take that child to whoever the father is, the real father.
Guinea, Ugoeze, you say this to me.
Are you mad? You want to wake the sleeping lion in me? Eh? Are you crazy? Now swear before the rising sun that this child is my child. Swear.
Yes, Guinea. Ne. What is it that I have not heard?
What you have not heard, Mama, is that your daughter slept with another man, and that is the result.
What? Mama, what is he talking about? Take me home. Is it true?
Awan, Zero.
Chang.
Awan, Nawa.
Hi.
Nawa.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
If I'm full of no one, Buga Mike, Amara me, Venge, and where I'm
Egodi, you're still crying. Ikanebe. Mama, my heart is broken. My heart is broken, Mama. You've not confirmed what your husband is talking about. Did you sleep with another man? Egodi, gina wako zolarlo. Hey. Egodi, onwalo nwoke fu ya bi gba oto.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love.
You're a very strong one. From what you did inside to me, we can easily have children, you know.
I can't wait to see that.
Have you forgotten my mother gave birth to 9 children? I have plenty of children in my womb. I'll give you 7 male children.
Oh, yeah, that will make me the happiest man on earth. Hey, I'm getting you another one. I'm getting you also. If you. What are you doing here?
I want you to look me in the eyes and tell me where and how I have offended you.
Biko, is that why you're here? Huh? My friend, will you go back to your people?
What have I ever done to you? Is this how you pay me for what I did for you?
What you did for me? What you did for me? Tell me, what did you do for me? What?
You're breaking my heart. Ugoeze, you're hurting me. This is not fair. It's not fair. Is this what I get from loving you? Baby, please come and see me off.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. To love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
I'm very sorry this is happening to you, okay? I'm very, very sorry. Please.
So this is how Ugoeze wants to pay me back. This is how he wants to pay me back.
It's okay. Egode. Egode.
I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
If what you said here is the truth, then I tell you, that boy is a coward.
Allah Mbwako. Okwala nenwere umunna. That man is mad.
I mean, how can someone be so obsessed with the Ozo title? To the extent that he can't even use his brains anymore. Oh, I no called him. Fabala.
Oh my God. You might have an where?
Nyakwa, eh?
Nsogale of the first order. Hey! Kidu de madede va bikon. Nzuzu. Bana kuku. Kwe flag. Go first there.
Odala wo. Aya bakelien.
In-law nakuya eh. In-law. Ugoeze my in-law nakuya. No, nakuya. In-law.
What do you want?
My in-law. I have come to talk to you like a man, like a father.
First and foremost, you are not my father. I am not your son. And no Genetaraka, you will also cease to be my in-law. Very soon.
You know, sometimes we open a mouth and spew out words, speak in anger without meaning it. Speak like a man.
No, I do not want to speak like a man.
I have talked with my daughter.
Listen, if it is your daughter that you have come here to talk about, then I am not in the mood to talk. As a matter of fact, from today onwards, I do not want to talk about your daughter. Not today, not tomorrow, not any time in the future.
Are you saying you're not going to give me any explanations whatsoever? None whatsoever? You don't owe me that? Tell me, my son, what happened between you and your wife?
She is not my wife. Now, leave my house. Poor? And I don't want to see you when I come out here.
This is the second time he's walking out on me. Ojikwanya. If I nada kwa namma. Nwa obidogo sebe ifo osise nke na-aba n'isi na-aba n'anya. Hey! Adeba. That boy dragged me on the mud. I'm telling you what I experienced at his hands. No good. Every man is a fool for at least 5 minutes. But wisdom entails that we do not exceed it. Ugoeze's foolery threatens to choke him to the afterlife.
Nine. If I got go Koyibo, I think we need to stop going to his house. Yes, we need need to stop begging him.
Oh, my dear.
Yes. Let us keep our dignity. That
is where I stand.
Ugoeze, I will never forgive him. God forbid I forgive him.
Good. Watch her. Watch her.
I will. Come back in and let me find out what she's doing. Oh.
Wanya balunaka.
You're still seated here crying. Eh? You and I know that there's nothing you can do. Besides, you're not the fool here. At the end of the day, you will smile. If Edioku ge mesia joyi, ebesina. Ndi wanwe meli. Nenu niliena. Eh? Let me cut the bread for you so you can enjoy it. Hot cup of tea, Meli.
Hi. Hi. Ifoma. 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 What is wrong with you now? Eh? How will you be sitting here and let that meat burn in the pot like that?
Are you shouting at me? Are you shouting at a pregnant woman?
What are you talking about now? Eh? You could have gone there and brought the meat down from the fire. Nothing will happen to your pregnancy.
You're wicked. Ugoeze, you're very wicked. I'm sitting here carrying your child and all you could do is to shout at me. Shout at me, Ugoeze.
Hey, if you want no. I didn't mean it like that now. If you want, okay, I'm sorry.